Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to change oil on a 2008 Ford F250 diesel step by step. Begin by warming the engine 5 minutes, then park on level ground and engage the parking brake. Lay out gloves, drain pan, socket set, new oil, and a replacement filter. Verify the correct oil grade and capacity for your diesel. Safety first. Wear eye protection and use jack stands if lifting the truck. Loosen and remove the oil drain plug carefully to avoid spills, and let the oil drain completely into your pan. Check the oil color and note any metal shavings or milky discoloration. While the oil drains, loosen the oil filter to speed up the job. Keep a rag handy for drips and avoid standing directly beneath the drain area. Replace the plug washer if it is damaged before reinstalling the plug. Unscrew the oil filter and clean the filter mounting surface on the engine before fitting a new one. Smear a thin layer of new oil on the replacement filter gasket, then thread it on until snug plus a 3/4 turn by hand. Reinstall the drain plug and torque to spec, then refill with the correct oil grade and quantity for the 2008 F250 diesel. Run the engine briefly and recheck the level and for
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.